Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini gym.
There was this noise now, you see, that Mkhwanazi fitted blue lights, Mkhwanazi took state resources and finance, took state, social media.
Iphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa omkhathi idolobha ekuroleni uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi uvela ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga ukuzoziphendulela ey'nsolweni okubalwa kuzo ukuthi wafaka amalamba ahlaza ezimotweni ezikaVusumuzi Khet Matlala. Inkantolo yamanje ese-Alexandra isidluliseleke enkantolo ephakeme eseGoli icala elibhekene nokatiso KT Mlife kanye-ke nabathathu asolwa nabo. Ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu mesuzulu kaZulu ithile sephinde kwaqoka umfundisi uthola sizwe Buthelezi esikhundleni sokuba undunankulu kaZulu.
That is very well organized. Compact block is very difficult to find spaces against that team.
It's normal. If you want to win the cup, we need to win whole team.
Kwezemidlalo Orlando Pirates izobeke ibheke ukunqoba iCarling Knockout Cup okokuqala ngqa uma ithola naphezulu neMarumo Gallants kwamanqamo ozobanjelwa ke eBlock 1 ngomgqibelo. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindabeni zehora lokuqala ezikunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC High. Igama lami nginguDawood Phungula. Iphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa omkhathi idolobha ekuroleni i-EMPD uJulius Mkhwanazi usamisiwe esikhundleni unikezwe ithuba lokuzokwethola kuhlangothi lwakheke namhlanje phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga. uJulius Mkhwanazi uchaza kabanzi ngokuthi kusomabhizinisi usematheni osadinga eStocksini uVusumuzi Khet Matlala uxhumana kanjani nokusebenza kweyinhlaka ze-EMPD.
uJulius Mkhwanazi utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi igama lakhe selinekwe lahlanakezelwa kabe inkundleni zokuxhumana nakwabezindaba ngeinsolo ezimbeka njengomuntu okhohlakele ngenxa yokusondelana kwakhe noVusumuzi Khet Matlala.
There was this noise now, you see, that Mkhwanazi fitted blue lights, Mkhwanazi took state resources and finance, took state, social media and articles now, newspaper articles with my photos. He took the state vehicles and donated to Matlala, or he took blue lights. They were raising it differently, you see. Nearly in my neighborhood, there's a weekly newspaper. It was strictly targeting. I'm staying in Albertine, you see. You said I must mention, I'm a public servant, you see. In that area, nearly each and every week, when you open a social media, when my kids open a social media at work, but internally at work, I was not approached.
Udabeni olungundabuzekwayo lokusetshenziswa budedengu amalamba ahlaza ezimotweni zomkhandlu utshele ikhomishana ukuthi izimoto zabaqaphi zanikelelwa emkhandlu Matlala ngaphandle kokukhokhelwa ngazo.
It was at no cost to the city. He said, no, just provide my guys to assist. You see, he didn't charge us anything. I think for him it was part of a marketing strategy.
Isicawu sekhomishana kaMadlanga siyaqhubeka ePitoli.
Inkantolo yamanje ese-Alexandra isedluliseleke enkantolo ephakeme eseGoli icala elibhekene nokatiso KT Mlife kanye-ke nabathathu asolwa nabo. Umlife kanye-ke nabathathu-ke labasolwa nababhekene-ke namacala eyamene-ke nokusocongwa kuka-Oupa Sefokwabe waziwa kakhulu ngelika-DJ Sambori kanye noHector Buthelezi owabeke edume ngelika-DJ Vintos. Ngomfufuka inkantolo-ke ephakeme eseGoli yadedela-ke umlife ngebheyili-ke esamba semali-ke eyizinkulungwane ezingama400 zamarandi. Le bheyili-ke wayithola ngemva kokuba-ke inkantolo-ke manje ese-Alexandra imnqabela ibheyili ekuqaleni. Umbuso kwaphikisa ngelithi komlife angase kadle phansi alifulathelela kuleli ebalekela-ke ukuqula icala kanti futhi angasaphazamise ofakazi. Kanti kulindele ukuthi-ke labasolwa bobane babuyeleke enkantolo ngoNhlolanja wonyaka ozayo. Kusenjalo ke abakwasidlodlo sebeqinisekisile ukuthi unogada ukukholakala ukuthi ke bebephelezele komlifi bakhalelwe ke ngamasongo kaSigonyela. Okhulumela ke amaphoyisa uBrigadier Aslenda Mathe uthi ke labo nogada batholakala ke nezibhama bengenazo izivumo zokuziphatha. Kulindele ukuthi ke busonge ubufakazi balowo oyinhloko yeNPA uAdvocate Shamila Batohi namhlanje ePitoli esigcaweni esiphenya ngobuqotho benhloko yeNPA eSouth Gauteng esambisiwe uAdvocate Andrew Chauke.
To compile a record to the President of documents that were not properly filed before us. I'm sure you understand why that is the case, because what is filed before us online may have to be a record to the President, meaning we have to consider everything that is filed before us.
Namhlanje ijaji uBess Nkabinde ucela abahola uphenyo ukuthi uma kungenzeka bahlinzeke ngayo yonke imininingwane efanelekile ngaphambi kokuba isigcawu sethule umbiko waso ngokuxoxa kulesigcawu ehhovisi likaMengameli wezwe.
The supplementary affidavit of Advocate Batohi has been filed and served for a particular purpose, and that purpose appears on page 2 in paragraph 5. That paragraph 5 on page 2.
Ohola lobufakazi uqinisekisile ukuthi yonke imininingwane kanye nencwadi efungelo kaAdvocate Shamila Batohi izosetshenziswa uma sebegoqa bonke ubufakazi. uBatohi kulindeleke ukuthi egoqa ubufakazi bakhe namhlanje.
Ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu uMisizulu kaZwelithini usephinde waqanga ngokusemthethweni umfundisi uThulasizwe Buthelezi ukuba abe nguNdunankulu kaZulu. uButhelezi wangabela ke ezokubusa ke nokubambisana ke indaba zomdabu ke esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal ufungiswe ke ngokusemthethweni izolo. uButhelezi ukhuza ibuye kulesi sikhundla njengoba ke wasibamba phambilini. Waxoshwa ke ngemva kwezikhalo zokuthi usebenzisa ke isikhundla sakhe ukulwa ngezimpi zombusazwe. Imbube ke ithi ke umfundisi uButhelezi uzohlinzeka ke ngobuholi kanye ke nokwengamela ke izindaba ke zombuso kaZulu. Ingonyama ke iphinde yamemezela ukusungula kwesigungu esiphezulu ke sikaNdunankulu esizoba ke namahhovisi amahlanu okuhlanganisa ke elikaNdunankulu kaZulu ozosebenza njengosihlalo kanye ke nommeli wendli yabaholi bendabuko. Lo mkhandlu uzophinde ke uqinise ke ubudlelwane phakathi kwamakhosi, imikhandlu yendabuko kanye nezinhlaka zokubusa. uAdvocate Charles Simnisi uthi ke akekho ke sesimeni ke sokuqhubeka necala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Miwa emva kwezinsolo ke ezibhekiswe kubo zokuthi ke kunabantu ke abafuna ukusoconga labo ke abangasohlangathini lombuso kuleli icala. Ubese ecala ke inkantolo kuba ke ihlehlise leli icala nathi akazi ukuthi uzokulungela nini ukuqhubeka nalo.
Exercise your discretion or choice to do whatever you want. You are at liberty to do that. But the order of this court is that we must continue.
uAdvocate Charles Simnisi uthi aqhubeke kanjani naleli cala njengoba kunezinsolo zokuthi nabo bayathinteka kulezi insolo ezivele enkantolo.
I am mentally not fit subsequent to those allegations that were made against me. So if the court is forcing me to proceed despite the fact.
What do you mean I'm forcing you?
No.
What do you mean I'm forcing you?
As I've told to the court, I'm mentally affected.
When will you be okay?
And psychologically too, I don't know.
Abameli ke bacela ukuba kuphenywe ngalezi zinsolo ababandakanyeka kuzona.
It is said that the defense is involved in this whole shenanigan, of which I don't know where it comes from. I also wish my lord that it be investigated.
uAdvocate Baloyi uthe noma ngabe ziqiniswe zokuphepha kodwa angeke abaphoqa ukuthi bakuqhutshekwe necala uma bezizwa bengaphephile.
We really cannot force my colleagues to continue with the trial. I think it's an individual choice, but if anyone is concerned about their security, we can assure them that the security measures have been put in place for this in order for this trial to continue.
Bogelesi sathi qo ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
It is not true, and so we still don't know who are these dark forces. But we, as the African National Congress and also as veterans, we are saying that such attempts will definitely fail.
Umengameli uphiko lomakade bona be-ANC uSnuki Zikalala usezichithele izinsolo zokuthi kuneqhiqibane eliqenjini elihlela ukuketula umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odameni oluphambili besibika ukuthi iphinde inhloko yamaphoyisa omkhandlu dolobhe kuRuleni uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi uvele phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga ukuzoziphendulela ezinsolweni okubalwa kuzo ukuthi wafaka amala amahlaza emotweni ke zikaVusumuzi Khet Matlala. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi le indaba zatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngeke kuze uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Lizoqhubeka kusasa enkantolo ke ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu icala elibhekene nowayengumengameli wakuleli uJacob Zuma kanye nenkampani yezikhali yaseFrance iTales.
uZuma kanye nenkampani iThales babhekene namacala okubalwa kuwo inkohlakalo ukukhwabanisa kanye nokushushumbisa imali mayelana nodaba lwezivumelwano seyikhali ngo1999. Ummeli wayo lenkampani uqinisekise ukuthi bazobe bedlulisa isinqumo sikachili nanokuthi inkantolo kumele izwe ukuthi baphikisa ngokuthini kulolu daba. Thales yafaka isicelo sokuba kuhoxiswe icala ngoNhlolanja kuwo lonyaka iphikisa ngokuthi umbuso awukwazanga ukuveza ubufakazi njengoba nofakazi ababili abamqoka babeyizisebenzi zayo lenkampani sebadlule emhlabeni. Ekhambeni kwesikhathi noZuma waba ingxenye yesicelo wathi isicelo seThales sokuthi kuhoxiswe icala siholele ekutheni nelakhe lihoxiswe. Nokho ijaji uChili wathi esinqumweni sakhe akakholelwa ekutheni ungabibikho kofakazi kunomthelelo ongemuhle ecaleni elibhekene nenkampani mangabe umbuso uvunyelwa ukube uqhubeke nokushushisa. uChili waphinde wathi akaboni nokuthi ukungabibikho kofakazi ababili abamqoka kunikeza uZuma ilungelo lokuba angabi ingxenye yecala.
Umengameli wophiko lomakade bona be-ANC uSnuki Zikalala useyichithile izinsolo zokuthi kuneqhiqibane eqenjini elihlela ukuketula umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa engqungqutheleni yobuholi balenhlangano ezobanjelwe eRuleni ngesonto elizayo. uZikalala uthi-ke ukwehla kukaRamaphosa esikhundleni kungadala kumkhulu umonakalo okhethweni lwangonyaka ozayo.
It is not true, and so we still don't know who are these dark forces. But we, as the African National Congress and also as veterans, we are saying that such attempts will definitely fail because we are not about to remove the president at all. The president has done a sterling work, as you can see, with the G20, as you can see, the economy is recovering, as you can see that we hosted a very, very successful international gathering here. And at the same time, the organization has been going through renewal itself, where we are saying that we should renew the organization and make sure that all members of the ANC are accountable, are held accountable, and those who are found wanting, definitely they should step aside and also to ensure that they are being held accountable and taken to a disciplinary action.
Iqembu eholwa wayengunobhala jikelele we-MKP uFloyd Shivambu i-Africa Mayibuye Movement selibambeke isithangamna bezindaba kulandela ukusula kwabaholika abathathu ke ezikhundleni eziphezulu kuleli qembu elisanda kusungulwa. uShivambu wethula ke izinguquko ezizokwenziwa kubuholika baleli qembu njengoba kulindele ukuthi ke libambe ingqungquthela ke yokuqala ngozibandlela.
We reaffirm the following national leadership structure composed of comrades whose proven dedication and strategic acumen will guide our movement through the challenges and programs ahead. In terms of the reconfigured structure, we'll read the entire component which was reconfigured. That the first Deputy President is Tato Amahofodi, that the second Deputy President is Nomusa CDC Kamashobana. The third Deputy President is Pepile Cyprian Mahlaba, who is also the chairperson of KwaZulu-Natal Province. The Secretary General is Lazolan Damase. The first Deputy Secretary General is Zwandile Goge.
Sesoxisiwe isicelo ke songabethembu ubuholi bemeya yaseGoli uDada Morero lesiphakamiso besifakwe amaqembu kamancane okubalwa iAljama, iUDM kanye neAfrican Transformation Movement.
Usinde kukubi uMorero evotini lokungabethembi ubuholi bakhe. Ukhoxisa kwalesi siphakamiso kuza ngemumva kokubonisana kwe-ANC namanye amaqembu abambisene nawo. Kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi lesi siphakamiso besungulwe iqeqebane eliholwa i-Al-Jama, isekelwa i-UDM kanye ne-ATM.
It is important for the executive to take into cognizance when they have their service delivery outlook on the city of Johannesburg, and we have noted a trend over time whereby certain areas, certain communities are neglected and deliberately. We have raised these issues several times, and I would say on record that we believe that the leadership of the coalition is the one that failed us. Because if those issues of service delivery were undertaken through a political program that is all-inclusive, we would not have gotten to a point where there was a need for us to demonstrate our dissatisfaction.
Sungowesibili kulonyaka uMorero esinda evotini lokungabethembi ubuholi bakhe.
In the meeting, yes, they were asked why this motion, why didn't you engage the issues that you say are happening in the city in this platform, or directly engage with the executive mayor. So the weakness therefore is that they could not engage with the mayor. You are part of the coalition, you then go and say, Mr. Mayor, as part of the coalition, we are raising the following issues that we are unhappy with.
uMorero usethembise ukubhekana nezindawo ezingenzi kahle, ukuqinisa ukuletha kwezidingo emphakathini. Uphinde wazishaya isifuba ngokuningi asekwenzile ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa nozakwabo waseMozambique uDaniel Chapo babona ukuvula kohlelo olusha lwezamandla the Integrated Hydrocarbons Infrastructure Facility kuleli yazwe. Lokhu njengoba ke uRamaphosa ehambele ke kuleli yazwe ngenhloso yokuqinisa ubudlelwane balamazwe njengengxenye ye-Binational Commission.
Fourth session of the Binational Commission in many ways reaffirms the historic and fraternal bonds of solidarity between our two nations and peoples, a solidarity that is rooted in our shared struggle against colonialism and apartheid, as I said yesterday. This is the first time in the administration of our country that we have so many ministers and deputy ministers accompanying me on a visit to another nation. President, this just goes to show the importance that we ascribe to the relations between Mozambique and South Africa. And it isn't because of the closeness of our two countries in terms of travel, it is because of the importance of Mozambique and South African relations. We trade well with each other, we relate well at a political level, at a diplomatic level, and at a people-to-people level. The brave people of Mozambique paid a heavy price for their solidarity with us in our struggle against apartheid. For this, we remain eternally grateful. We regard you as being more than family.
Bokelo masibheka kwezemidlalo Orlando Pirates ibheke ukukhala ke yemuke nomqhudelano weCurling Knockout Cup bangabe seyibhekene neMarumo Gallants kowamanqabe ePolokwane ngomgqibelo.
Inamane edlule Orlando Pirates isanqobe iMTN 8 amahlandla amane yanqoba iNedbank Cup amahlandla amabili kanti kusenzima ukuba inqobe umqhudelwano iCurling Knockout Cup. Captain wePirates uNkosinathi Sibisi uthi banethemba lokuthi bazoyinqoba na kanjani kulokhu.
You know, it's a cup that has been eluding us for quite some time now, but you know, we are really looking forward to playing the game on Saturday. We know what we're coming up against, you know, a very good side in Marumo Gallants, but the boys I think are prepared for the game.
Oqhitsheza imnyama ngenkani uyazi ukuthi iqembu lakhe alizukuyidlela nje amahlanga.
It will be a tough game. It's a team that is very well organized. Compact block is very difficult to find spaces against that team, but we will make sure to try to find a solution in order to try to break this block.
Igalanzi ngelinye lamaqembu amabili asahlule Orlando Pirates kule season. Leli qembu alikehlulwa emidlalweni yalo namaqembu amakhulu amathathu okubalwa kuwo iKaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates kanye neMamelodi Sundowns. Umqeqeshi weGalants unethemba lokuthi bazonqoba kulomdlalo.
If you want to win the cup, we need to win a whole big team. We have eliminated Stellenbosch, Golden Arrow, Sundowns. So it's normal. If you want to win the cup, we need to win whole team.
Uzokuba ngomgqibelo enkundleni Peter Mokaba uzoqala makubumbana ihora lesithupha ntambama.
iChippa United ehleze emsileni kulog iBetway Premiership izobhekana neKaizer Chiefs ekhaya namuhla kusihlwa embangweni wamaphuzu amathathu.
Abadlali beChippa United babonakalisa impawu zokuzimisela ngelixa bebezololonga. Bafuna ukuphumelela umdlalo wabo neKaizer Chiefs ngolwesithathu kwaye abaqeqeshi beChilli Boys bayavuma kuba lo mdlalo awuzokubalula. Umqeqeshi weliqela uVusumuzi Vilakazi uthi unalo iqhinga lalomdlalo.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umdlalo wethu mfethu against Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo ukuthi umdlalo mhlambe where a coach cannot do much, but ama players they come on board automatically because basuke bafuna ukrise ku equation nabo. It's a game where you as a player ufuna ukuzibonakalisa nawe ngokwakho ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi kangakanani, which is the self motivation.
Abanye kwabadlali bafuna ukusebenzisa lo mdlalo ukuzenzela udumo. Lo mdlalo uza kuqala ngecala emva kwensimbi yesixhenxe ngolwesithathu ngokuhlwa. Ndinguzolani Moya wendaba zeSABC ndiseGqeberha.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakaza. Sizibeka lapha bese kuphathela zona bayeza kuza kwethu neindaba ngolimi lesindebele emagamanxa ke ihora lesihlanu kanti thina sizobeka ke nezinye izindaba ngehora ke lesikhombisa kusihle mbukeli sale kahle.